The more the world changes, the more people want to know. If I'm investing in you as a company, what are the things you've put in place that make you sustainable? And what are the things you're doing so that our investment is safe and secure? For us, when we look at sustainability, we see it as highlighting the company's wins and challenges. And so for us, we give the good, the bad, and the ugly of sustainability. As private sector, we are in a very, very unique position to drive positive change now more than ever. COVID has shown us we need to be resilient. COVID has shown us we need to put all our efforts and work together. Climate change will not be tackled by Safaricom alone. Climate change will be tackled by each and every one of us in this room, putting our efforts and saying, me, I'm growing, and indeed you're growing your trees, I'm growing mine. We are tackling adaptation, we are tackling mitigation. What else can we do? Let's work on resilience of our communities, because I and Safaricom, we strongly believe that as private sector, we cannot thrive when society around us is not thriving. Our biggest challenge in this new century is to take an idea that seems abstract and turn it into a reality for the world's people. In sustainability journey, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, carry your supply chain and everyone else along.